You've downloaded the PyCharm targz for Linux. Now, where do you put it? The short answer is you can break out the targz anywhere. You can put it in your home directory. But where's a good place to put it? In opt. Put it in opt PyCharm version. First, let's see what's in the archive. So the top level directory is PyCharm and the version. Let's make a directory in opt. Copy the archive there. Go to opt PyCharm. We know that it will unarchive to a folder PyCharm 2021.2.2. We're going to unarchive it here, and then we're going to change the top level directory to just the version number. So we'll have opt PyCharm 2021.2.2. We'll need to sudo. Now you can get rid of the targz and simplify the top level directory. The nice thing about this is you can keep this version around when the next one comes around. Sometimes there's new errors or regressions in new versions of JetBrains IDEs, so I like to keep around a couple versions so that you can revert if necessary. Now you should be able to execute this from the command line with opt PyCharm bin PyCharm. Put the path in your .bash profile. Now your bash profile will get executed the next time you log in, as long as you're using bash. So I should be able to close this.